All right, people. When I tell you to check your spare tire, check the air in your spare tire. This car's got 40,000 miles on it. Looks like it hasn't moved much. If it did, must be parked under a tree. But here is the spare tire. I took the valve cover off. I'm going to take my trusty little gauge and let's see if it even moves. Okay, watch this. Oh, it moved just a little bit. Let's do it again. Ready? Check it out. There you go. Didn't even get to 5 pounds. So this part got 2 pounds in it. And you can push it. That is the doornail. Okay? So what's the sense of having a spare if it has no air? Okay, so you get a flat tire somewhere and you don't have AAA to come air it up for you and then change the tire. You have a nice civilian person that just wants to come by and help you. Okay, they can't even help you because nobody carries a pump in their car. All right, so bottom line is check the air in your spare and don't despair. Ta-da! Thanks for watching.